Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, we along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out to conquer Khaybar. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted us victory, and we did not procure any gold or silver, but different kinds of commodities, grain and clothes as booty. Then we made towards a valley. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was accompanied by a slave who was presented to him by a man called Rifa'a bin Zaid of Banu Dubayb from the tribe Judham. When we dismounted at the valley, that slave started untying the luggage of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Meanwhile, a blind arrow hit and killed him. We submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, happy martyrdom to him. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, absolutely not. By him in whose possession stays Muhammad's life. The sheet which he had pinched from the booty of Khaybar was not his share, and that very sheet in form of a flame is burning on him. Hearing it, all the people got frightened. A man brought 1 or 2 leather laces and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I found it on the day of Khaybar. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, these are the fire laces too. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 306.